Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to another video. Now in this video I kind of wanted to talk to you guys about the things that I'm learning software engineering wise. I've discussed with you that I've been working with this company in Silicon Valley, so there's a lot of new things that I have to learn to be able to work efficiently with that team, and also I want to discuss with you guys all my future projects that I'm working on, be it software engineering wise, be it personal projects, be it my entrepreneurial pursuits and projects that I'm trying to build out, learn about, and things like that, So I'm going to be touching on a few things here, everything to do with what I'm trying to do in the future career-wise, both in software engineering and on the entrepreneurial side of my things. So what I want you guys to take away from this video is basically that no matter where you are in your life, you will constantly need to learn new things and acquire new skills to be able to work and take yourself to the next level in your career every step of the way, So that's the message I want to share in this video. So without further ado, let's dive into this video and have some fun and learn a few things, and also just give me a chance to share about some of the things that I'm learning and the projects that I'm working on with you guys.
Rebel soul child, got a fist ball, I'm a respawn of ancestors, and I'm blessed, They are not him, tell him fess up, I get check stub, hella carefree, nothing scares me, hella reckless, yeah, I got next up, right, no we not the same, cause see when I look in your iris, you likely to talk but not ready to ride, you do better keeping it quiet, my pen is ignited, my soul is enlightened, I like who I am but I'm biased, their palate is right, and my drip is a fountain, I'm not like these regular guys, all of that talk is misguided, she like the way I make the tape print, but the way I make the words play is grim. I'm the reaper reaching for the kill switch. The label cut the check like the blazeman. Something sparking where his brain is. The beat is somewhere where their prayers in. Geronimo, the way I make the bass jump when no parachute is tasteless. They likely to run their mouth, but when they see you face to face, they quick with the shape shift. Up through the night, work the grave shift. Batted from the cradle to the grave, bitch. Big mad how they face tense. Look both ways for you catch fade. I'm a nice guy on the inside. Still, I'm not somebody to be played with. Keep it all the way 1,000. I don't remember how the ground feels. I left the city, I've been browsing, treading water that they drown in. My head on the swivel, yeah.
So yeah, talking about software technology, the things that I've been learning on that side are going to be quite a bit of Java and understanding the entire back-end architecture of the company that I work with. And we are now about to switch to Kotlin. So we are trying to create projects with Kotlin. So I'm definitely going to be looking into that programming language as well, which is kind of built on top of Java anyway. So it's not like it's another entire language that I have to learn. Basically, need to pick up on the updated syntax, which is Kotlin, kind of built on Java. And along with that, I'm also trying to invest more time into some of the more advanced concepts on the Java side again as well, with authorization, security, with Java Web Tokens and all those things. So I'm going to be looking into that because my team is consistently having conversations around those things. So I definitely want to stay up to date with that technology as well, so that I can contribute whenever I'm needed, or at least be able to pitch in and contribute to my team, and that's always a good feeling to be able to do more than you're asked. So learning that, and then on the front end, I'm going to be investing quite a bit of time learning some advanced, more advanced topics in React and JavaScript and things like that. I've already been professionally using React quite a bit, but does that mean I'm really good at it? Absolutely not. There's just so many things that I need to learn and get better at. Developing better applications, faster applications, more optimizations, improving the user experience and all those things, because I see people's work at the company that I work with, and they are so good at producing the quality of the code, and on top of that, the things that I just see on the browser itself, the animations and the drop downs, the menus, and everything just looks and works so efficiently, which is why I want to practice React more, practice JavaScript more, along with learning more about Java on the back end itself. But even for the apps that I want to develop for myself and for the community that I'm building, which I'll be talking about later in this video, I just want to improve myself, and for that the practice is needed. Learning advanced topics, learning advanced concepts, and then actually putting them to use. So I will be building personal projects, personal applications, so that I can practice what I'm learning. And on top of that, those projects will actually help me get into these deeper concepts and have some practical application so that I can learn properly, apply properly, and not just skim over things. Definitely want to upgrade my skills. So for that, practical application is going to be the most important thing. So these are some of the things that I'm doing to improve myself as a software engineer, application developer, and all of those things, right? I am big on talking about my challenges, talking about how I go about doing things, resolving things, or resolving problems, in life in general, career-wise, and a lot of the other things that I'm passionate about. There's always a lot going on in my mind on a regular basis, be it software engineering, which is a lot of mostly what I'm doing career-wise, work-wise right now, and then I'm also just doing quite a few projects, looking into things personally myself for the future, the kind of products and services I want to create, mostly in the e-commerce and fitness space, those are my areas of interest. So I'm trying to leverage my coding skills to basically think about projects, think about software products and services that I could build myself on the digital product side, and on the e-commerce front, my girlfriend and I are working on a few physical products to sell in on different platforms, be it Amazon, be it Shopify. So always thinking about some of those things. Regarding all of that, there's a huge process that goes into learning and staying motivated and trying to basically be more effective in life, because what good is any knowledge if you cannot implement it to create more value for the world in general and also for yourself? Because I've realized that as much as I want to grow in life, for that a few really important things have to be a priority, which is continuous learning. So consistently learning about new things in every area of my life, be it health, fitness, be it software engineering, which is a lot of what I'm doing right now, plus product creation, sales, marketing. All of those things are also what I'm consistently studying these days, just because of the nature of work I want to get into and the career I want to build while working as a software engineer with a Silicon Valley company, while building businesses with my girlfriend, because she's almost like my right-hand man, basically. I mean, right-hand woman. So we like to have projects for ourselves that we can work on, and leverage our skills to build stuff, physical and digital products, to basically be able to add some value in the world, and in exchange be able to create some good income for ourselves and grow in our lives, and use money as a resource to not just have fun in life, but also learn more from other people, be able to buy more time back for myself, be a little bit more financially free as soon as I can, to then focus a little bit more on things that I am really passionate about, which is again going to be health and fitness. So working on my my training, which is a lot of bodybuilding, powerlifting, movement training, quite a bit of martial arts here and there. I want to do more of that. Plus building my own softwares, building my own projects regarding fitness and training again, and then the physiological aspects of things as well, to be able to create an app where I can basically have experts come on and create content with me to deliver it to my tribe, to my audience, and help them out with their athleticism, health and fitness, and getting stronger, faster, and more efficient and effective in life, with movement and things like that. So that is one of the projects too. And apologies, I'm going kind of back and forth because that's how my mind works. One thing takes me to another. That's how I like to build on things as well. Yeah, so that's what's been going on. And then a lot of learning going on. So I've also been learning quite a bit about emotions, behavior, habits, our own personal psychology, and things like that, to better reflect upon my own nature, on my own behavior, and then understand my emotions, to be able to then be more proactive about how I go about taking action in general on a day-to-day regular basis, and not be just driven impulsively by my feelings from the different emotions that I feel on a day-to-day basis again, with the challenges coming in the business that we're trying to create, with the challenges that are going to be on the software engineering side, learning new technologies. And And another thing I want to share is that no matter where you are in your career, if you're in a job or if you have your own business, and if there's another pursuit that you want to do, or if there's another thing that is interesting to you and you want to actually go pursue it and are just scared that you might fail at that, don't be. Honestly guys, just take that step, learn a few things. There's just so many resources available online for you to be able to leverage those, learn things, create some projects, and with just a little bit of financial backing, you can get projects up and running and actually test out the concept, the business model that you're trying to put out in the marketplace. And at the end of the day, if things fail, they fail, because what really matters is the learning that you acquire from that. And you can only really do that by applying things that you learn, because what good is any learning if you can't really apply it, right? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just wanted to kind of bring you into how I'm going about things, what's on my mind currently, and just wanted to talk a little bit about my challenges, how I'm going about them, but probably going to be making more videos around those things as well in the future, just how I am mindset wise, skill wise, or even putting practices into place habitually and things like that, how I'm going about that, what am I tinkering around with or experimenting with in life in general, be it training, be it again career and things like that. So we'll be sharing more with you guys in the future, and I want to do more of these vlogs where I can just kind of bring you into my thought process, bring you into my days, and just so that we can have a little bit of chat together. Definitely comment down below, how are you enjoying the videos and what other kind of videos would you like me to create for you guys, because I would be happy to do so. And I'm just trying to get more natural with talking to you guys, picking up the camera more often and not having it as something that kind of causes pressure during my day while I'm trying to perform my best with coding, software engineering and all of those things, because that is definitely top priority. But I do want to keep creating good vlogs for you guys and communicate more with you, build a community and all of those things as well. So yeah, just trying to have a conversation with you. So comment down below what else would you like to see, and if you enjoyed this video, definitely leave a like on the video, because it helps me grow my channel. It helps the algorithm find my video, show it to more people, and also definitely subscribe to the channel. A lot more content coming out for you guys, so stay tuned. And that's about it. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a good one. All right.